Alright guys, Good Noel here, and in this video today we want to look at how you can actually start affiliate marketing properly in Nigeria. Alright, because in my last video I talked about how you can actually start, alright, and I equally said that in my next video I'm going to give you the platforms you can start with in Nigeria. Alright, it's important for us in Nigeria because when we talk about affiliate marketing, we talk about international affiliate platforms. We'll talk about ClickBank and the rest. But the challenge is that a lot of these platforms, these international platforms, they don't outrightly accept Nigerians. So people have to go and use the back door. But that is not what this video is all about. This video is for us because we want to actually start affiliate marketing in Nigeria without the need for going through maybe the use of VPN and all of that kind of troubles. All right, so we want something that will make it easy for them to just pay us in the Nigerian naira, and we do everything without hassles, verification and all of that. All right, so when you talk about affiliate marketing in Nigeria, you're talking about two platforms. At least to the very best of my knowledge, these are the two platforms that offers you something that's like the ClickBanks. All right, so these platforms, we're talking about Learnoflix and Expertnaire. So these are affiliate marketing marketplace. All right, so what happens is that they are like the third party that's oversees everything that has to do with you affiliating. So we already know that the basic concept of affiliate marketing is you selling people's products you didn't create, products you don't have. So what happens is that this the product creator, let's say if I created a product, all I have to do is go to Expertnaire and list it. All right, you, if you want to if you want to affiliate a product, you can come there. If you think my product is something that would sell for you, then you can affiliate it. It is the same thing around the world. You understand, it's the same thing all over the world. So now we are looking at these two platforms. So they are a marketplace. So we are going to, this is a comparison video, all right, because since January I've been looking at getting into affiliate marketing full time. All right, so I've done my research, and I'm about to reveal to you some of the things I've come to understand about both platforms. So if you're looking for where to start from, then this video is going to help you. If you're confused, you don't know the very one to start with, this video is going to help you make that decision. All right, so we are going to start right about now. And the first thing is that both of these platforms, Expertnaire and Lenoflix, they are both affiliate marketplaces, like I've said, so people can list their product, affiliates can come and affiliate it. All right, so the both platforms, the commissions are actually great. All right, so you can get up to 50% of 50% commission for every product you sell there. Also, they are both owned by Nigerians, so this makes the entire process easy for us because they send your money to you in your Nigerian bank account. So you don't do conversion, you don't go looking for PayPal buyers and all of that. All right, so these are like the very basic similarities that both platforms have. So I'm going to give you the individual attributes, the strengths, and then you can decide for yourself which one suits you. All right, so we are starting with Lenoflix. All right, Lenoflix is the registration is actually free. All right, and if you've been looking for a platform that is easy for you to start with, then this is the one. Learnoflix is the one. I actually joined not long ago, and it's been mind-blowing. All right, because the registration is free, so you can register. But for you to actually start affiliating, you have to take a course. Like it's you are taking a course to become active. So what this course does is called a 7-figure affiliate program, and what it does is that it gives you a guide. It teaches you how you can become an affiliate marketer. All right, so it's like you are buying a course to register on the platform to become an affiliate. This is good for you if you do not have an idea of how the entire thing works. So It will walk you through the process. All right, I've been in their constant Zoom meetings and their Telegram and all of that. They've been doing incredibly well. All right, they've been doing incredibly well. So that is a bonus for Lenoflix. It is very newbie friendly. So if you are new, that's the best for you. I'm going to say it straight to the point. That's the best for you. So like I've said, the course, it teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing in general. So the knowledge is not something you have to use just on the platform alone. It has to do with affiliate marketing as a whole. All right, so it's a good one. All right, so for you to take that course and become active on the Lenoflix platform, you have to pay $23, which is around $10,300 or thereabout. All right, so it's important that you do this, because if you do not take the course, you will not be able to affiliate and you cannot have access to the courses itself that you want to affiliate. All right, so after that then the registration is completely free. The registration is completely free. So one of the drawbacks, if you like, is that this platform is very new. It actually just launched I think in January or so, so they are still very new. So if you are looking for something that you want to become a part of, say, a revolution or something like that, or the building of something new, again, this is very great for you. All right, so it's owned by a Nigerian called Sam Harvard, so you can look him up in the internet and get to read more about him. So again, one of the drawbacks on Lenoflix is that because it's new, there is a very few number of products that are currently listed. All right, of course with time that's going to change, but currently they do not have plenty products that you can affiliate. All right, okay, so Learnoflix actually pays you in multiple ways. All right, so you can actually be paid in Naira, which is they just send it straight to your Nigerian bank account, but this platform is not open to just Nigerians, so they can actually pay you in dollars too. They pay you through PayPal, so you can receive your money through your bank account, or you use PayPal. That's on you. So that's two options you can receive your payments, which I consider very cool. So another thing is that the course is listed on Lenoflix. They are actually cheaper. They are something that you can see the average human being can actually buy. So it's cheap for people to buy it, which in turn makes it easier for you to affiliate their programs. All right, so the support is great. Like I've said, from scratch, they have a system where they take newbies from scratch and they train them to become expert and begin to see success with what they are doing. It's important, I tell you, it's very important, because starting out can be challenging, because you have to put some things into place, put a lot of things in place before you begin to organically see the result of what you've been doing. So because they are currently on the beginner stage, I notice the patience they have, and that's why they are taking people through the process gradually. So if you're looking to start, this might be the very best time for you to start. All right, again, if you refer people on Lenoflix, you're going to be earning a 40% commission. All right, so the 40% is from this amount here, so you are getting a 40% for every referral that you get. So if you're looking out to start on Lenoflix, then you are entitled to 40% when you refer people, and these commissions can be withdrawn at any time. Equally, Lenoflix pays you your affiliate commission at any time, your affiliate earning at any time. All right, and then we are headed over to Expertnaire. So like I said, this is a versus kind of video. So it's a Learnoflix versus Expertnaire, because these are the two current platforms that we have in Nigeria where you can affiliate. That is to the very best of my knowledge. I don't know if we have others, but until I come across them, these are the ones I know for now. All right, so Expertnaire has been there for a very long time, I think 2 to 3 years now. So they've built that trust. So it's an affiliate program in Nigeria, to an affiliate platform. All right, So it's owned by a Nigerian named Toyin or Motosaw. All right, so they've been there for like 2 to 3 years, and so it's actually older, and it has that how do I say, that trust position. All right, because it's actually older. Like I said, Lenoflix is new. It's new. They are still even at the beta stage, so they've not officially they've not completely launched yet. All right, so but the problem, one of the problems with Expertnaire is that they charge you a yearly fee of 10,000 naira. So for you to register and become a member of the on Expertnaire, you must pay 10,000 naira, and this fee is reoccurring. So yearly you have to pay 10,000 naira. I personally do not think this is a problem, because I know how it is for Nigerians to abuse things. So I think, this is me thinking, I think they've done this just to make sure that people who register are serious persons, people who take the platform seriously. This is good for you, the platform, and the course creator, all right, because everybody will be on their toes. So I actually have no problem with this fee, and if you're serious about it, this fee is not something, just one, if you make a sale, you should cover that. All right, so it's not a big deal, and yes, you should know that the Expertnaire courses, they have more courses. Like I said initially, they've been around for a while, so they have more courses, they have more product listed. All right, so you can get a variety of what you can affiliate there. All right, so that's another bonus to them. Expertnaire courses, they are slightly costly. All right, this may not actually matter much because you are not the one buying them, especially if you are affiliating. But the prices there, some of them are actually very expensive, that it might be difficult for an average Nigerian to buy them. So on that part, Lenoflix is actually ahead because their prices are way cheaper, and it's easy to make your sale. All right, so Expertnaire will equally pay you a referral bonus of 30%, and it pays its affiliate commission every Friday. Unlike Lenoflix, where you can withdraw whenever you want, here they pay you every Friday, so they pay you every weekend. That is how they are structured to pay you. So for you to be able to get a free 1-year registration on the affiliate program on the Expertnaire platform, you must take the 72 IG course by the founder, who is Toyin or Motosaw. So what that means is that you will take the course. That course gives you an access. If you buy the course directly, you do not have to pay the registration fee of 10,000 naira. All right, so if you buy the course, you will get instant 1-year access. So after 1 year, you have to renew it. All right, so that course is around 45,000 naira. I've heard that it's a good course, and it equally guides you on how you can generate income online. So it's something that is going to help you too. If you can afford to buy the course, then you should. All right, Expertnaire does not offer training for new affiliates, and that's a turn down for me. All right, it's actually not their fault. So if you are not experienced and you don't know how to navigate these marketing challenges, then you are completely on your own. All right, you are completely on your own. This may not be a challenge if you follow this YouTube channel, because I actually make videos like that. All right, so it's going to help you to just subscribe to this YouTube channel and watch the videos. They will help you make sales. All right, so Expertnaire itself does not offer you a training like Lenoflix does. Lenoflix is very user friendly, so they offer training for the new persons. I don't know if that's going to continue because they are still new. So maybe as it goes, they will have to let it go. I'm not sure, but that's the current situation. All right. So we are coming to the conclusion. The conclusion of the matter is that if you are experienced and you can do your thing, fine. Expertnaire would be best for you, because you can grow your sales and all of that without the help of somebody telling you to. Somebody guiding you through the entire process. All right, and if you're a newbie looking for a conducive environment, you just need that feel of going through a system where you have people like you who are equally growing at a pace, then Lenoflix is the one for you, and that's the one I actually recommend for newbies. If you are new and you are trying to start things from scratch, get a hang on it, Lenoflix is the one for you. You should take that one. You should focus on that one. However, you can be on both platforms. I'm actually on both platforms, but that's because I know how to do these things already. So if you can afford to join both platforms, you should do it. They are not costly. One is just, both should cost you around 20,300 or 20,800. So it's not too much money, so you can equally invest in the both of them. It is not an investment platform where they have to pay you blah blah blah. No, this is an affiliate platform. You have to push the traffic to the product, and that's the basic summary of the whole thing. Everything you are doing about affiliate marketing, it revolves around you pushing traffic to the product. So regardless of where you've registered, if you cannot push traffic to a product, you are not going to earn any commission. Just so you understand how it basically works, you must be able to put this product in the faces of the people who would need them. It is from their purchases that you are going to earn. It is from referrals that you are going to earn. So this is not an investment platform where they have to pay you weekly. All right, so that's like the basic summary between the both platforms. So anyone that you feel is suitable for you, then you should head to that to that one. All right, I personally recommend that you can do both of them, but if you are starting out new, you should focus on Learnoflix. All right, so I have created a private WhatsApp group. This WhatsApp group is to help newbies who might need a close support. All right, so I'll put the link of that group in the description below. So if you want to be a part of that group, all you have to do is send me a message on WhatsApp and I'm going to add you to that group. Also, if you want to start immediately, I will equally put a link or the links on how you can start in the description below. So you look them up and then you start immediately. The basic summary of everything is starting. That's how you are going to achieve anything in life. You must begin. All right, so it's not enough to watch videos and then make plans and all of that. You have to start. That's how you are going to make anything tangible from anything you are going to do in this life. All right, so that'll be all for today. My name is Good Noel, and I hope you like this video. If you do, you should like this video so that the YouTube system will realize that somewhere around this crowded industry that there's a good guy who is doing some good job. All right, so like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and look out for my next video. And that'll be all for today. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.